Yo. No! No! Go back up! Welcome to DayTradeToWin. Hey all you day trading winners out there. Today we're back with another scalping and day trading video. Today we're doing another alternative way to scalp the E-mini S&P 500 using the Trade Scalper. Normally we use the Trade Scalper on a minute chart, but today I loaded a 30-second chart and had some great day trading action going on here, so I wanted to share this with you. This first live trade here I entered at 30.15.5. It did go against me to begin with, but it came back and gave me 3 ticks of profit. 3 ticks, that's the profit target I use for these trades using the Trade Scalper. The second trade signaled even before I reached the profit target for the first trade. I didn't open another position. I wanted to profit on the first trade before that. Yo. No! No! Go back up! Okay. Whew. And these candles here all have these long shadows, which tells me that there's demand and prices are going to go up. And you see the open profit or loss here in this section. Those are fractions of a point. 0.25, that's 1 tick. 1 point is 4 ticks or 4 quarters. There we go, 3 ticks of profit. But as the price hadn't moved, I decided to open another position, 3 contracts at 30.16. There we go, 3 ticks of profit, and I reached my 3 tick profit target on that trade as well. So if we sum up these trades here, each of them reached the 3 tick profit target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 winning trades here in a row. 6 times 3 ticks. That means 4.5 points. 1 point, that's $50 of profit. And as I traded 3 contracts here, that's $150 profit per tick. So in total, $675. The Trade Scalper, it's such a great tool. You can get it from daytradetowin.com. And remember, our next 8-week mentorship program begins soon, so reserve your seat before the class fills up. Until next time, good trading.